In this class we are going to discuss about multiplication of decimal numbers. For example, this is an object, then I divided it into 10 equal columns. Okay, this is going to be represent an object. It will divided into 10 equal parts, that is we divided it into 10 parts. Out of these 10 box, again we divided each box into 10 equal parts. Then this total complete object is divided into how many parts? That is, first we divided it into 10 equal columns. Then again we divided each column into 10 parts. Therefore it should going to be represent 10 into 10 is equal to 100 equal box. Next, for example, if we are divided this object into 10 equal boxes, then out of those 10 equal boxes, if we are taking only one box, that is nothing but here we are going to represent this in the terms of fraction. We divided that object into 10 parts, we are taken, that is we shaded only one part is nothing but it is going to be represent 1 by 10. It is going to be represent 1 by 10. Similarly, when we taken an object like this one, we divided it into 10 equal columns and we shaded only one column, that is nothing but we taken this part only out of 10 parts. This is also going to be represent 1 by 10 only. We divided 10 equal parts and out of these 10 equal parts we taken only one part, that is nothing but it is going to be represent the number of parts we taken by total number of parts we divided. Then here first we are going to take 1 by 10, that is nothing but first we divided it into 10 by column wise. Next we taken one part out of it, that is nothing but 1 by 10. Next this column is again should be divided into 10 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next out of these 10 parts, if I am going to take this part only, that is nothing but out of these 10 we taken one part only. Next out of these 10 parts we taken one part is nothing but it is going to be represent 1 by 10. Next, this is the combination of 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. It is the product of 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. Next, it is going to be represent which fraction? That is nothing but 1 by 100. We divided it into 10 equal parts. We taken only one part. That is nothing but it is going to be represent 1 by 100. That is nothing but the product of two decimal points. 1 by 10 is nothing but 0.1 into 1 by 10 is nothing but 0.1. Each should be equal to 1 by 100, which is equal to 0.01. Next, if we are going to take one part out of 10 equal columns, that is 1 by 10. Next, similarly out of this 1 by 10th column, again we divided it into 10 equal parts, and if we are going to take two parts out of these 10 equal shaded parts, if we are going to take two parts, then it is going to be represent how many columns? Which fraction? It is going to be represent 2 by 10. Out of these 10 equal portions we are shaded 2, that is nothing but 2 by 10. Next, the combination of 1 by 10 out of these 10 and 2 by 10 out of these 10 is going to be combination or multiplication of 1 by 10 into 2 by 10, which is equal to 1 into 2 is 2 by 10 into 10 is equal to 100. This is nothing but it is the product of 1 by 10 into 2 by 10. Here this diagram is going to be represent, this common area is going to be represents out of 100 boxes we taken only 2 boxes, that is nothing but this portion is going to be represent the fraction 2 by 100, which is equal to 2 by 100. In similar way, if we are going to divide that object into 10 equal columns, and here we shaded 3 columns. Therefore, it is going to be represent which fraction? 3 by 10. Next, I am going to divide this each column into 10 equal parts like this one. Then out of those 10 equal parts, I am going to take 2 parts. This is first one, this is second one. I am going to take shade. That is, here we are going to take 2 parts out of equally divided 10 parts. That is going to be represent 2 by 10. Then the product of these two is going to be represent the common area, which is representing this area, which is nothing but here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes out of how many boxes? 100 boxes. Therefore, it is going to be represented by 6 by 100. This is the multiplication of decimal numbers by using diagram.